A sample model for pressed full ceramic crowns is ready with wax-up patterns. Attach the sprue into the flowway of the melted ceramic. Sprue on the thickest part, avoiding sharp edges and occlusal surfaces. Sprueing figures are very important for successful pressing. (16mm), 45 degrees, 60 degrees. There are two different sizes of silicone rings. Selection of a ring depends on the weight of wax pattern and investment. 100 grams to 100 grams. Pour liquid and powder into the bowl, and hand mix for about 10 seconds, before vacuum mixing, for 60 seconds at 300–350 RPM. MAZIC Vest HS is a multi-purpose investment system, which is designed to have high fluidity and excellent fitting result, with minimized reaction layer. Fill up the silicone ring up to 9–10 mm below the top end, and cover with the ring cap. Applying a small amount of vibrations during investing. After pouring, there should be no vibration. After setting, remove the investment mold out of the silicone ring, and make tidy the both end. Place the investment mold into the preheated burn-out furnace at 850 degrees Celsius. After complete burnout, the investment mold can be pressed. Insert the ingot into the investment mold with the marked side up, and place the plunger. The pressing furnace should be preheated to the corresponding press program. Place the investment mold into the press furnace, and start the selected pressing program. After the press program completed, take out the investment mold and bench cool to room temperature. Conventional way of the cutting line marking is inconvenient. Using a Vericom Divest marker will help to mark correct cutting line on the pressed investment mold, easy and faster. First marking line indicates correctly in between the plunger and pressed ceramic mold. And the second marking shows the cut-off line of the extra investments approximately 5 mm over the pressed ceramic mold. Sandblast with 50 micrometers aluminum oxide at 2.5 bar. Pressed ceramic crown of MAZIC Claro press shows smooth and clean surface with exact fit on the die. Wet the pressed ceramic crown while cutting and grinding. Pressed ceramic crowns are now ready for coloring. Finished MAZIC Claro press crowns on situ. With its superb materials quality, MAZIC Claro press gives reliable cast ability and warm colors.